to yet another Zosh video presentation. Today, the car hopefully will be going away for maybe a day or so. I don't know, who knows? The car is going to fabrication, but before it goes to fabrication, we've received our turbo housing from Custom Coatings. Check it out. That is what you call ice, ice, ice. Yeah. The lines, everything is, bruh, fire. Just to show y'all in some nice prime time daylight, even though it's not really prime time, but bro, that looks so good. And speaking of looking good, look at the Integra. Bro, look at my car. Shout out to the homie Rob for lending me his wheels so I can get this car trailered and moving mobile while my tires come in from Falcon. But bro, look how dust. Oh god, this is garbage. But we have to slap this on today so we're able to have the turbo housing mocked up, so when we do the charge piping and stuff that's in there, everything is ready to roll. It's actually not too far off. I mean, shit, I don't know, looks good on camera. But yeah, finally got this. This will go something like, it'll look somewhat like this. Oh man, that looks good. So now I'm gonna put the brackets and stuff on, tighten that up down, and then we should be solid to take this thing to get coated. So I'm gonna clock it like this because maybe I clock it like, I kind of like this because they can run straight down, like it can go down and then over. So I'll probably keep it clocked like this. Turbo is on and clocked. Don't worry about this fitting right here. I'm waiting on something to come in the mail. So it's gonna route through the actual valve cover. So I just put this on there so nothing get inside there. I'll probably get roasted when he sees this, or whoever sees the car at the shop where I'm taking the car. They're like, what the hell this guy got going on? Don't worry about it, pimp. I just did that just for purposes. But bruh, that wrinkle black look good. I should have got my damn manifold redone too, because you can see that right there. Ugh, I wrinkle blacked my fuel pressure regulator because I was getting roasted. Well, not that I'm roasted, but it turned that ugly bronze color, and I ain't like. So from now, the car's ready to go. No seats inside. The homie driver still got my seat rails. Wheels are on. The garage is somewhat decently clean. Got the seats out. The ruckus in. I finally went to my mom's place and got my little chest cabinet, whatever the hell you want to call it. Just got to do some more organizing over there, but oh no, we're good.
My throw blood clot old. Dog, man old dead. My throw old.
Where my shirt at, bruh?
Yo, call Lisa, bro.
The shit that she can't drive.
She drives.
She drives
a job, and all she does is play video games.
Give the one back our carrier.
10.
Give back your sister our carrier. You drive what the people in the car, you don't want to change the air, you don't want to change the tire. You know I put the gas in there.
It got tires.
Give back the people them care.
It got tires. It got brand new tires.
I'm talking about if you come here, dog. But rich. You got bomb buckler or?
No, you f***ing don't, nigga. Don't start with that.
Dog, come out.
You got a job. You just got a job.
I was chilling.
Okay, you're rich. Only rich niggas afford to be chilling.
No, I save up so I can chill.
They had a pop. This is good, man.
Smart water is good. What's that?
It's even better when it's free.
It is free. Great. Anything free.
Damn, this a nice ass trailer, dog. Fred, where you get this from?
Me and my dog Mario went half and half on.
Oh, y'all went half? Mario, y'all went half, Mario?
Yeah. I'm just finding out.
Yo, if Uno I'm a bomb car bona fide friend, anything with Uno, I feel me.
Yo, so let me try to
Anytime you're ready.
Nigga lying, bitch. I that nigga drive the coupe, the nigga was up.
Bitch, I'm gonna say you drove the
Now, bitch, what? The rest time you was stuttering, bitch.
What you ask? What you ask and you do it, right?
The one time, bitch. And the only reason you let me
You
go
only asked one time.
because the bitch was in tune. I asked the other day, a couple months ago, and you said no.
Running, you can barely keep your car straight, bro.
I can keep yours straight, bitch.
After BSing with these fools for damn near an hour, we're on our way to drop off the car to the fabricator's place of business. Yeah, see if we can get some rolling shots at least of the car.
This bitch stay broken down.
Get out.
You need to tell your cats. Get out.
This animal cruelty.
Ow, get rid
Animal
of them.
cruelty.
They're pissing on your couch. That's nasty. Nasty as fuck.
I washed the couch.
You good? John, you gonna stop trying me, bruh.
Fred, you try me more than anything, alright?
You act like two little kids.
So it's my time.
Car is here. That's where I was going to get this fab work done.
You starting now?
No, probably not. Probably getting like a couple days. So.
When your downpipe and shit coming in?
Monday.
It'd be nice if you come in here.
I'll probably keep the car here and just see if we can.
Why don't you have them
do everything one time?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll probably do that then. Probably. The mocking up stages.
Give us some space here in the bathroom.
I wish. Look at that. Done took the car outside. But we back in business. We're back in business. Bro, so from yesterday, coming on today, I had brought the splitter over. And look at this. Look at this. This look crazy. Bro, it looks like it's ready to go. That's crazy. Everything lines up pretty great. Waiting on a coupler to come in from Amazon, but the charge piping is pretty much almost complete. A couple bins right here between the chassis leg. But other than that, that's money. That is beast. All right. What's up, y'all? Today is Monday. I started filming this entire video process, I believe, on a Friday. So today is the day that you guys get this video. Fabrication today, well, fabrication in general should be complete today. I had to order another set of turbo piping. Shout out to Amazon for having that 2-day special. I ordered it Friday, came Sunday. And, oh, I dropped the car off Thursday then. Yeah, so the car got dropped off. Car got dropped off Thursday. Today's Monday, and he was pretty much almost finished by Friday, bruh. I just had to order more turbo plumbing so he can plumb it. I had to order a 2.5 inch to 3 inch turbo coupler, or just coupler in general. Let's get my car back home, player pimp. Oh, god damn, I need some gas. I need some gas. So, brief update. Pretty much done. Actually, it is done. Pretty much. That shit is done. Cold side about to be done too. And from there, I think he has to just weld on to the intercooler. And then from there, so it's gonna be a coupler right there. So that's dope. Look at that. Charge piping is complete. Look at that, bro. Perfect. Perfect. Everything is Gucci. Now the bumper's going back on, and then the splitter. Dog, I'm so stoked. They came out, bruh. This is, bruh. All I gotta do is polish up all the stuff, but this is perfect. Literally perfect. Yeah, I can't wait to put the regular on. They're white. 17 by 8 plus 30.
What tires you got around?
225, 45, RT 660s, Falcons. Alright, so the car is loaded onto Mario the trailer, leaving Eggy's shop now. Everything is simplified, done, twisted 9, 69.
Put his regular car.
I can't wait, bro. Guys, look at that.
so that's Mike's.
Of course. Oh, let me drive the boat. Who let me drive the boat?
Go ahead.
Is home and back in the garage. A little cleaned up from the last time y'all seen it, but see how long the hell that lasts. But car's in the garage, we're good to go, baby. The next video from here should be maybe getting the first start and stuff situated, hopefully. I gotta do my return line and put the feet on properly, return, and brake line. Fix the brake. I gotta put the brake line fittings on. And throttle cable and pick up my gas pedal. Other than that, should be good, bro. Should be solid. Bro, it needs a wash, but look at the fridge box. Bro, this looks so good, bro. Eggy did an amazing job. The guy that did the fab work, his Instagram name is on the screen. If you need any fab work done, mechanical work, bro, if you just need your shit done, I highly recommend him, bro. Like, I dropped the car off Thursday and then I received it back. I would have had the car Saturday. The car would have been in my possession by Saturday, but I had to order more pipes for because I ran out. But dude, bruh, killed it, dog. Can't thank him enough, man, bro. Super thankful. There's great people out there that actually would do proper work on your car. That's awesome. That is awesome. If you guys ever need anything, if you live in Port St. Lucie or Vero Beach or Fort Pierce or hell, even West Palm, and you need a fabricator or you need a guy who can get the shit done for you, I highly recommend Eggy, dog. And they do paint work there too, so if you need some paint work done, Eggy's your bro. One-stop shop for everything. Huge thank you to that. The car is ready to go. Like I stated before, I have to do the feed line, the return line. I'm gonna do all this stuff tomorrow. Put the car on the quick jacks, a little bit of it tomorrow. I gotta do my fittings for my brake. I gotta get an RSX throttle cable or find a throttle cable that will fit. So if you have a turbo setup, what throttle cable do you use? Don't mention K-Tune. I'm not running that garbage. So James, if you're watching, I love you. I'm just joking. But yeah, man, if you guys have a throttle cable out there for sale, you live in Florida, so I can get it right away that will fit this, because this throttle cable would work, but I don't want it to go over the turbo. So my goal for my throttle cable to work, this throttle cable is, I believe, from a D series, like a EK D17 throttle cable. It's too short. It's too short because I don't want it to sit on top of the turbo like that. I want it to actually wrap around like this. Like I want it to go from that over here and then go in there. This is just a tad bit too short for what I need, so I gotta get a longer throttle cable. What throttle cable have you guys run if you're turbo and you have the same similar setup? What throttle cable do you use? Let me know. Check out what my girl cats did to my seat. I would say they're my cats, but nah, I'm finna disown their ass, bruh. Look at my seat, dog. Look at my $1,000 Sparko seat, bruh. I'm sad as hell. But now I'm happy again, cause god damn that look good, bruh. Oh man. But thank you guys for watching this video. I know it's been a minute since I uploaded, but now we're back to schedule every other day uploads, or maybe daily, depending if I have enough content to push out daily. But you know, I don't know, bro. My baby's still running strong, so that's good. I still need a K24, so if you have a K24 for sale, or I just need a block. If you have a K24 A2 short block that's in working condition, let me know. I can get a top unit easily, so just let me know. And like I stated, all information you know to get in contact with Eggy is down in the description box below. Thank you guys for watching this video. Thank you to Eggy for everything. I appreciate you, my guy. Thank you. And I'll be sure to catch you guys in the next one with some more Turbo K stuff, brother. The goal with this car is to make it to summer vibes up in Ybor and Tampa. Roscoe, I'll see you this weekend, brother. Hope everything goes well with this bad job. And I love you guys. Hit the like button, please. It helps the channel. If you want to see a young black man make it in life, hit the like button. It's that simple. I love y'all, man. I'll be sure to catch you guys in the next one. I'm out. Peace.